smart people, Mr. H here. Today is Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024. Today we're going to go over Quizette Day 3. After that, you're going to do Calendar Project or October Project, Part 1. Our goal for today is create 10 of one-step equations. Please follow the instruction. You need a special scratch paper for this. Don't forget to write your name and period, just in case if you leave it behind, I know who you are to give it back to you. Okay, when you're done with those, you can decorate your calendar. You can look up what picture you want to draw and go ahead and try to draw your pictures. In my experience, students should draw the students should draw the calendar first. Decorate your calendar before you write the equation on it. Alright, here we go. Take out your Quizette. We're going to go over question number 1. Alright, to solve for the unknown, first what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line. Okay, we're going to do inverse operation. X plus 11 equal to 9. So what we're going to do is subtract 11 to both sides. Whatever we do on one side, we have to do the same on the other side. And our justification for this is subtraction property. Subtraction property. Okay. Then what we're going to do next is we will calculate x equal to 9 minus 11 is negative 2. Okay, and any calculation we will call it simplify. Okay, that will be it for number 1. Okay, number 2, to solve for the unknown, in this case we need to get rid of the fraction. So 3 divided by 5 times x. The operation here is the division. So what we're going to do is we multiply 5 to both sides. Okay, justification, that will be multiplication property. Okay, when you multiply 5 to both sides, the goal is cross out the denominator. You could have do is that you can do 5 times 3 is 15 divided by 5, which give you 3. 15 divided by 3 give you 15 divided by 5 give you 3x equal to 9 times 5 is 45. Alright, so now I want to go back to emphasize on this one really quick. We did 5 times 3 divided by 5, which is 3x. So that's the reason why we say that we can cross out the 5 from the beginning, because this is 5 over 1. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. Leave you with 3x, right? Okay, justification for this step right here when we do 9 times 5 is the simplify. Okay. Alright, our next step, to isolate the x, we're going to divide 3 to both sides. So x equal to 45 divided by 3 is 15. Okay, and we have division property. Division property. Okay, and then 45 divided by 3 would be simplifying. Alright. Okay, number 3. To isolate the variable, we first need to do the opposite operation. We have 5x plus 7. So first we're going to subtract 7 to both sides. Okay, this is subtraction property. Subtraction property. Okay. That will give us 5x equal to negative 10. Alright, we just do is simplify, because negative 3 minus 7, same sign, add them up, keep the sign of the larger number, which is negative 10, which is the answer is negative 10. Okay, our next step is continue isolate for the variable. You're going to divide 5 to both sides. 5x divided by 5 will give you 1x, or in this case it's only x. And then negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. Okay, what we have here is division property. Okay, and x equal to negative 2 means that you're simplifying your answer. Alright, now we're heading to our last question. If I can figure it out how to slide it over. Here we go. Alright, this is one of the CAS questions. So, to multiply to scientific notation, first we're going to multiply the whole number first. 2 times 3. Okay. I'm going to group them just in case if you need more time to think. I'm going to group them first. 2 times 3 and then 10 to the 5th power times 10 to the 3rd power. Okay. We deal with the 10 next. 2 times 3 is 6. 10 to the 5th power times 10 to the 3rd power will give you 10 to the 8th power. Okay. Scientific notation has one number, one digit in front of decimal point. So we have 6 times 10 to the 8. If we look at the decimal point for the 6, it's right after 6. So 6 itself is a scientific notation. It's already satisfied the scientific notation. You have one digit in front of decimal point. So that's nothing we have to do here. You just write down 6 times 10 to the 8th power. That will be it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please go ahead, go to the next video, work on your calendar project. Please stay on task, get it done. Thank you, and see you all tomorrow. I will check with you to see if you have any question. Alright, bye guys.